guys, thanks for joining me tonight. I am making strawberry shortcake in the air fryer, and I just wanted to show off a few of our fantastic products. This is the cup slicer. It went viral as soon as it came out, and they were sold out for over a month because they were so popular. It's a fun tool to use with kids, or even if you prefer not to use a knife, if you're maybe a little bit dangerous in the kitchen with a knife. It's super easy to use, and like I mentioned, it's a lot of fun for kids. And when you are cooking with kids, if they are able to participate in the preparation, studies have shown that they are a lot more likely to eat what they have helped to create. So if you have picky eaters at home, getting them involved in the kitchen is one great way to help encourage them to try new things and to eat new things. So I've just sliced these up, and so the cup slicer. And then to make the strawberry shortcake, I have some self-rising flour, a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1.5, I have all-purpose flour, so 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt that goes in with that. I've got my cup zester, got some lemon zest gonna go in these strawberry shortcake, what are these called? The shortcakes. And so let me tell you about a couple of these products. So the cup zester and the cup slicer are part of our new consultant kits. So if you would like to give Pampered Chef a try and have some fun this summer or spring, you can pick up some of these products too. It's a great opportunity. We have 3 levels of regular kits, and we even have a special quick start kit that is only $25, only during the month of May. So you can get your own kit. With the $25 kit, it comes with both the cup zester and the cup slicer and the pivoting peeler. And the cup zester or the cup slicer itself is worth $25. The kit, the $25 kit, is worth over $145. So that's such a great deal. Plus, you can start earning income right away. As consultants, we get paid twice a month, and we have an opportunity to earn free products and all sorts of other incentives, trips being one of the opportunities, in addition to having great friendships and relationships. Pampered Chef truly is a company that is collaborative. Consultants work together, help each other out. It's very friendly. Some of my consultant friends are my great friends. Some of my friends have become my consultant friends, and both vice versa. So if you are looking for an additional activity or source of income or outlet for creativity, or just want to add in some extra income or get paid for cooking, think about Pampered Chef. Give it a try, especially this summer. And when you sign up in May, like I mentioned, we have some great incentives and opportunities. And so let me get these shortcakes put out and put in the air fryer. And if you decide you want one of our regular kits that either is cast iron, we have one that has a stone, the medium pizza stone. We have another level of kits that have appliances, including the deluxe electric grill and griddle, one that has the coffee maker, and one that has the deluxe multi-cooker. Any of those kits will also come with a free bonus this month, and that is our new Kids Club box. So I'm going to pop these shortcakes in the air fryer for about 20 minutes. It's set to 350 degrees, and then I have something else I want to share with you. So, like I mentioned, each of our kits comes with the cup slicer. This is a great product, and strawberries will go with any of these recipes. You can make the strawberry shortcakes in the air fryer. With the pizza stone, you can make a strawberry fruit cookie or a brownie cookie with strawberries on top. With the cast iron, you can make a strawberry galette. It's kind of like a large free-form pie with strawberries and basil on it. With the deluxe electric grill and griddle, you could make French toast and top it with strawberries, or even waffles and top it with strawberries. And the multi-cooker, you could make a strawberry compote or a cheesecake, even in the deluxe multi-cooker. And with the coffee maker, you could have some nice sliced strawberries to go with your cup of coffee. So like I mentioned, each of the kits comes with a cup slicer, and each of the kits comes with an apron. The apron is what you make of it. If you want to work the business as a side gig, as a full-time source of income, or even just to get free products and discounts on your products, or just to make friends, it's a great opportunity. The larger kits come with a kids club box. During the month of May, this is a free bonus. This will not be available until June, but it's so much fun. And if you have junior chefs around, they'll love the interaction with this box. It comes with a secret compartment that says "Take a Peek." It comes with some great illustrated recipe cards and instruction cards, a hand pie and pocket maker, so you can make hand pies, mini pizza, folded over pizza pies like calzones, a churro beignet, and all sorts of good stuff. It also comes with an everything but the pizza seasoning and a fun collectible pin. I'm going to show you this because it's super cute. It's a little pizza guy. Now, this is the first box of the Kids Club box. So see the cute little pizza guy? And each will have a collectible pin. You can order additional pins if you want. If you have multiple junior cooks who may like to argue over them, you can also order a separate apron, but this would be super fun. You can get your apron and kick off your new Pampered Chef business and get your Kids Club box and have some fun with your kids this summer and share the benefit of cooking with your own kids and with your friends' kids. So I'm going to be checking on my shortcakes here very soon, but I would love to have you come along and join the Pampered Chef family. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out, message me, and like I said, I would love to have you come along and show you the ropes. So thank you so much for being part of this texting party, and let's get cooking.